Good chat. You know, another day, another vlog. Today my bro's in town, so we're probably gonna hang out. I think we're gonna go. He's trying to go fishing with his friends and stuff. I got one reel. I think they're trying to buy one, but I tell him like go to the thrift store and stuff. So I've been going to the thrift store here and there. He gave me like a week or two notice, so I've been going. I'm gonna show you guys to the thrift store. This is how it looks like inside. All these clothes. They got furniture. But I'm going Louise. Yeah, some fishing reels. Alright, chat. Store number 1 did not have any. They had poles, but they didn't have any poles with any reels. So store number 2. Store number 2. They got the furniture, they got all the clothes. Got all the man clothes. Outdoor stuff's out here. Let's see if I find any fishing poles. Chat, I found a K1. I was gonna get it as a joke, but then I just flinged it. And yeah. We're outside, chat, trying to figure it out. What we get? Chat, we did it. Look what we got. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh, this guy, no way, chat. Look what just happened. He just Look! Look at my hand! No way! Look, chat, we got another one, but this guy hasn't got anything. Look, my brother got it. Yeah! No. Hey, be careful, it's not gonna poop on you.
We gotta donate it.
It was a good chat, you already know. Day 2, you know, first day didn't count. Look. We're out here. We came prepared this time. We got the bait. We got the worms. We got some anchovies. And we got some sardines. We're at a lake today. Let's see what we catch. Oh, we got one. We got one, chat. We got trout.
Where's the net?
No! No! Twitch one more. Should y'all see it? He got one.
Oh yeah, boy. Here you go, got your fish. Ooh.
It is. Oh yeah, that's the gills.
Right here.
He got it, chat. He got it. Finally. Alright, chat, we added more. Try to get the thing to cover it up. Oh, it's lit. It's magnetic. I don't see the smoke, guys. Chat, we're gonna keep torching it until we smell like a barbecue. And the thing is still lit.
There it is.
There you go, chat. We got a little smoke. Jeez. Alright, y'all ready? That smells smoky.
Alright.
Sadly, chat to road to 1 million. Tastes like I just harvested it in my backyard. It's lit. Cover it to catch the smoke. Oh. Dude, from this angle, you look like a character from Lord of the Rings.
Smell?
I don't know. I don't watch it.
Very smoky.
It's apple juice. This one just tastes a little more burnt.
Yeah.
Next one up is gonna be apple, chat. Let's see. The directions say hold it a little bit away. Let it just smolder. There you go. Barley. Oh, it's cloudy. The chance of meatballs. Where'd the cotton candy go? Alright, check y'all. Guess where I took my brother? Sandiegozoo, I'm inside you! Oh, there you are! Look at this first animal. Hidden. Tortoise, not in the water. It's not a turtle. There's a turtle, chat. Turtle in the water. Right here. Another one over there. Alright, chat, we found the big ones. Big tortoise. Big masa right there. This one that goes.
Hey, look at his face on green.
We got a rattlesnake. Oh damn, it's moving. Here's the cobra. Oh.
What does it do?
Exfoliating.
Chinese alligator chat right there. Looks like a baby pup. We found even bigger tortoises, chat. This one just looks plumped down like it's done for the day. Oh, that one too. Damn, that one looks exhausted. Like the needle-nosed gators. And got the turtles down there eating lettuce. Yeah, I found your siblings. Little monkeys eating. Look, that one has a baby in the back. Here comes the mom with the baby.
Flower seeds.
Oh, look, one riding his back.
That's super cool.
In this area, I guess there's like a little water park too for the kids. Check here, I got my brother's Sunday routine right here, just chilling. Another one over there, just hanging around. Oh, that's the mom with the baby. There goes the baby going up. Oh, is he gonna swing? Oh!
He knows what he's doing.
I need some leaves, Karen.
This is Karen.
It's not asking what's in the bag. Oh, look.
She's getting her lips ready for the lipstick.
More monkeys. This is the main one right here, the whole family. Oh, there's one all the way up there. Look at this big cow and eater check. Check, there's an old copy over there. I don't know if y'all can see it in the trees. There he goes walking. Chat, what do y'all think this is? And look at all these fish next to it. Two over there. Oh.
That's the hippopotamus. There's
The panda chat is slumped. Everyone's slumped today. The panda's just scratching chat. You guys want to roll over? Found another panda. Panda eating. It's munching. Got the lions out here with the tongue out. The male and the female. Got the elefantes. There's the elefante in the shade. Oh, here comes the other one. Right here.
Walking over.
Oh, it's gonna play with the ball. It just came from the water. It's wet.
Yeah, but thing is,
Oh, I didn't even look at that. I can see it from here. Chat, how many legs does it have? There's another one, chat, in the shade. Like this. Yee, yee. Got the camel. There's a donkey here. Burrito. On the burro. Just trying to knock the hay out the sack. This one? this is not a camel.
I didn't know this was a camel.
Right here, look. Here we got a fluffy cow, camel, llama. Llama, red pajama. Plus one's white. Fluffy cow white. Y'all guessed it, more monkeys. Baboons. Shit, we got the koalas, but they're all slumped. It's right here if y'all can't see. Sleeping like a toddler. It's making a beat, chat. Oh, it's like the dog. Like, it probably put treats in there. The giraffe in the background just chilling in the shade while these are eating over there. Try to get close, chat, real quick.
Plastic on wood.
I don't know if y'all could see, but in that bay, there's a baby one. Oh, you can't see it. I'm protecting it. This one's posing for everyone's pictures. Focus. What's good, chat? Day 2, trying to catch a shark. Just kidding, trying to catch more fish, chat. Only thing I'm taking in is these views, that's it. A whole lot of nothing going on.